boys and girls. Today's essential question, how can you use what you already know without counting to count past 100? Our daily objective, I can count to 120 by using an open number line. So this says, pick a number and start at that number and count by ones to 150. So on your own and at home, you're going to pick any number on this 150 chart and count all the way to 150 from that number. This says many countries around the world speak Spanish as their native language. Look at the map to see some of those countries. So we have Mexico, El Salvador, Panama, Cuba, Dominican Republic. We've got a whole lot of countries. Now we're going to learn how to count to 10 in Spanish.
Sing and move along, children's song, take your brain body strong.
¿Quieren aprender los números? Vengan y apréndalos conmigo. Aprendamos los números, uno a uno. Aprendamos los números. Empezamos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment.
So if you want to rewatch that so you can really get those numbers 1 to 10 in your head, that would be awesome. So this says Jamel counts by ones. What number does he say next? We have 58, 59, 60, 61, and 62. My smart board's a little off. Which number can you make using doubles? So that means the same number plus the same number is going to equal to this. So 3. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we can't make that. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Can't make that. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Can't make that. 6 plus 6 equals 12. The next one, Jane walks 8 big dogs, then she walks 6 small dogs. How many dogs does she walk in all? Write the missing numbers. So we see that 10 plus blank equals blank. We know that in this 10 frame, there are 10 spots filled up. So I need to see what I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that 10 plus 4 equals 14. So that also means that 8 big dogs plus 6 small dogs equals 14. So there are 14 dogs in all. We've got a brain pop about counting on. Give it a second to load. Log in. Log in. Okay. Okay, well, our brain pop is not working today, so you guys can watch that one independently on your own. The username and password is up there. So this says, start at 87, count on by ones to 92. So on my number line, it starts with the number 87, and it wants me to count on by ones all the way to the number 92. So I've got 87, 88, 89. And if you're having trouble counting on to these numbers, you can just get a hundreds chart at home and it might help you. 90, 91, and 92. next one says start at 77. Count on by tens to 117. So when I'm counting on by tens, I'm just adding 10 to this number. So I have 77. 77 plus 10 is 87. 87 plus 10 is 97. 97 plus 10 is 107. And 107 plus 10 is 117. You've got another one to complete that is counting on by ones to 59. And also counting on by tens from 38 to 78. Now looking at this example, it says Teresa and Doug both draw a number line starting at 16. Use the number lines. So this says Teresa counts on by ones 5 times. So I have 16, and I'm going to count on by ones 5 times. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And Doug counts on by tens 5 times. So we've got 16, and we're going to count by tens. So 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, and 66. Whoa, he's got a lot more than Teresa does. So this says, will they stop counting at the same number? So let's look. We see that Teresa stopped counting at 21 and Doug stopped counting at 66. Why did they not stop counting at the same number? So we know that they didn't stop counting at the same number because Teresa counted on by ones and Doug counted on by tens. So Doug got to a higher number. Your job for today is to complete Envision's pages 419, 420, 421, and 422. There are pages for you to upload each. Please do not draw it small right here in the middle of the screen. We want it to take up the whole screen so that we